You know what's common in every engineering college? Prototypes that never leave the lab. Cool idea, great demo, forgotten next semester. Let's be honest, what's the point of making a prototype if no one can use it? Hi, I am Aditya Saboo from IIT Indore, India. But what if a prototype could be more than a grade? What if it could actually change someone's life? For many, simple movement isn't simple. Independence shouldn't be optional. Meet the 3-mode robotic arm, built not for show but to assist. Built for those who can't lift a spoon but still want to feed themselves. I've built 3 control versions for the robotic arm as shown here. The first enables real-time precision using just a joystick. The second introduces a press and play memory feature for repeating sequences. The third offers Bluetooth-based remote control for wireless operation. Each is optimized for a different user interaction model, but all share the same core logic architecture. Once initialized, the robot moves to a predefined center of mass, a balanced neutral point. From this point, a single button press toggles control between elbow and arm. Double or triple press shift control to claw or base respectively. The control mode is confirmed by updating the number of active LEDs. Once a mode is decoded, analog readings from the joystick are used to move the selected joint smoothly. When the input stabilizes, the position is locked. A long press resets the robot back to its neutral position. If power off is triggered, the system shut down safely. So even with minimal hand movement, that's enough. Mounted on a wheelchair, the entire system can be controlled using just 2 fingers. Memory mode builds on joystick control but adds 1 button. Short press stores the current position to an array. Long press, it replaces the full sequence exactly as recorded. Long press again to repeat. Short press after a playback resets the memory. It's precise repetition, no reteaching needed. So independence is just 1 click away. And Bluetooth, because we are engineers and Bluetooth just makes everything cooler. This version still uses the Arduino Uno but adds wireless control to the HC05 module. The logic remains the same, only the input changes. Button X on the Dabble app switches control between elbow, arm, claw or base, just like the joystick. Directional button take over movement, making control wireless but just as precise. This is more than just a project, it's a shot at changing how disability is seen, not as a limitation but as a challenge worth solving. I've built this for someone who needs it and I'm going to make sure that they get it. And if you want to build your own, you can get the full code as well as the 3D designs made by me by scanning this QR code.